Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your lock screen. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down to find the Digital Assistant or Assistant section. Tap on it and select Gemini as your default assistant. Finally, make sure to enable the option that allows Gemini to be used directly from your lock screen. This simple setup ensures quick access. Once Gemini is enabled, accessing it from your lock screen is straightforward. On most Android phones, you can simply press and hold the power button for a moment. Some devices also allow a quick swipe from a bottom corner. After activation, speak your query clearly. Gemini will then process your request and provide the answer right on your locked display. Gemini on your lock screen offers many convenient features. You can ask quick questions like, "What's the weather today?" or "How many ounces are in a cup?" It's also great for controlling smart home devices, setting a timer for 10 minutes, or even getting traffic updates before you leave. All these actions are possible without needing to unlock your phone. To ensure the best experience with Gemini on your lock screen, here are a few tips. Always speak clearly and at a moderate pace so Gemini can understand you perfectly. Make sure your device's microphone is clean and unobstructed. Also, grant all necessary permissions to the Gemini app for full functionality. Regularly updating the app will also provide new features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.